Start.
It is a parrot. It is green. It is red pig. It has red pig. I like parrot.
Very good.
This is a peacock. It colorful. It is colorful. It has long feathers. I like peacock.
Very
This is
good.
a sparrow. It is small. I like sparrows.
Very good.
This is a quill. It is small. I like quills.
Very good.
Thank you. This is a pigeon. It is grey and white color. I like pigeons. This is a crane. It is white color. It has long leg and long beak. I like cranes.
Very good.
This is a duck. It is yellow. It is short. It can swim. I like ducks.
Very good.
This is a crow. It is black. I like crows.
Very good.
This is a myna. It is black and yellow. I like mynas.
Very good.
This is an owl. It is brown. I can.
It can.
It can see at night.
Very good.
This is the eagle. It is big. It flies. I fly
Hi.
I like eagle.
Very good.
This is a cuckoo. It is black. It can sing. I like cuckoo.
Very good.
This is a hen. It is red. It lives in coop. I like hens.
Very good.
This is a woodpecker. It has sharp beak. It
Pecks.
pecks at trees. I like woodpecker.
Very good.